Here you can see my diesel heater setup in the van. Got the Vevor 8 kilowatt heater, diesel tank, 10 liter, display up there. Not the prettiest wiring. Got the fuel pump, a battery in here. I also got the inverter. The cables are not done. I'm gonna change out for some bigger batteries. And I'm gonna connect the main battery to the secondary with a splitter. I'm also gonna install a DEFA charger, so when I plug in the DEFA heater on the van, then the charger will charge all of the batteries. You can start it up. Here's the DEFA charger. It's a 10 amp. Yeah, it's behind here. I'm not sure if I think I will install it in the next to the main battery inside here. I just need a splitter for this cable. I could split it at under the engine at the heating element, but I don't want this to be placed under there. Then I would have it right next under the engine. So I need a splitter to get this cable from underneath the engine block into this compartment right here. Then I will run the battery splitter cables over to the secondary battery. You can see I have the inlet and the exhaust under there. I got the vent inside here between the seats. You can see it splitting one into the cabin and one into the back. I'm gonna close the door so it won't suck the exhaust gases into here. Then it will blow it into the cab. I also got the vent in here. Yeah, it's starting to heat up. I like to have one in here as well, because sometimes these doors freeze when it's close to 0 degrees. Then I can just hit the remote and start up the heater, and then it would thaw out the frozen doors. Burns quite clean. Yes, now it's getting hot. It still has some smells a little bit, but like plastic inside. Not but it's getting better. So I think it's just from the unit. It's a cheap Chinese one, so I'm not that worried. It's probably gonna be better after a while. So I run it for half an hour every day. So It's a great extra heater for the new diesel ones. Are not the hottest one. They are using quite little diesel, so they are not that hot. They're very you can regulate the speed. I bought the cheap one without the Wi-Fi, and I marked out. Did at the pump, so I guess it's close enough. Yeah, but that's that. Just a short video of how I have run it. I'm probably gonna make another one when I get all the stuff under here done.